So 31.5 by 11 inches. I thought that was good enough, but it's going to be a little bit too small. So I end up getting this other large felt pad by Dawntrees. And this other one is going to be a lot bigger at 40 inches by 16 inches. So it comes in this wrap. So it's going to be very similar to my current one, if not identical. And then the back side, it's going to have these rubber grips, which is going to be the same thing at the bottom, except these are going to be smaller black grips, whereas these are bigger white grips. Now again, here's the current one, and then here's the new one. So this one's going to be a lot bigger. And oh, it also comes with some other stuff. So I got the Dawntrees logo here, so if I ever do want to wrap this up, I can wrap it up with this thing. And it also came with a mouse pad, and that's going to be of the sea and some sand. This looks a lot nicer, it takes up a lot more space, so now I can put more things here without having to worry about the wood, about the desk getting damaged. And if you ever do get this curl up like this, what I usually like to do is just fold it back on itself and just roll it the reverse way, and eventually it should go flat. Yeah, that's going to be a lot better. It doesn't ride up as much like this anymore. It feels a little bit more flat. I can give it a little bit more of a bend. And there, that's a lot better. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Dawntrees felt pad.